A very good morning all of you my dear students. Today we are here in the state government bus depot and this is situated in Chhatani. We are here to start our very new chapter, which is simple machines. First of all, my dear students, I would like to tell you that when civilization was still developing, when the things were not as developed as today we can see, we always used to do things with our muscular power. Like whenever we want to do something, like we have to pluck some fruits from the tree, then we used to climb it and then go to that branch and then break it, or we used to throw some stones at it. But nowadays we have sophisticated machines, like not even we have to bother to get up and go there. There are drones which we can simply control with our mobile phone or other remotes, and that will pluck that fruit and bring it in our lap or in our hand. Okay, so what are those machines and how are they helpful for us? In this chapter we will explore it in complete details. What are those simple machines? Are basically of two types. First one is simple machine, just like scissors, hammer, bottle opener, lemon squeezer, simple things which can make our life little bit easier. And then we have complex machines such as these buses, engines, generators, motors, aeroplanes. These are complex machines. Okay, so in this chapter we have to explore simple machines. For this, let's see one example. We have a gentleman here. I am sure if you can see, this is a jug, and simply by rotating it we can increase the height, and this thing, my dear students, can lift tons of weight so effortlessly, just like these buses are used to be lift, just like you have seen now, it is getting upward. So this type of simply he rotated it and a whole bus will get lifted by it. So this type of tools are used. These are simple machines. Now let us have a look at some advantages of machines which are listed in the book. Okay, so first one, it says that machines help to do the work with less effort, as we saw with the help of this jack, and there are these types of jacks, similar jacks in all the cars and all the four-wheeler vehicles. So machines are those things, small equipments, tools, which makes our work easier and lets us do it quite effortlessly. Okay, then it says that machine helps us to do our work faster, just like if we discussed that if we have to break all the fruits from this tree, then and if we are using our hands and legs, it will take quite plenty of time. But if we are using machines such as pluckers and those things which are used to break the fruits, it will be quite easier. If we want to build a house, wooden house, with our hands, it will take many weeks or maybe months. But if we have tools like hammers, nails, wood cutters, it can be done in a couple of days or maybe maximum a week. Okay, machines help us to change the direction of the force. For example, a pulley is used to lift a pair of water from a well. Machines can simply, this is also an extension of the same fact that it can help us do things quite effortlessly. It is saying that pulleys are used to lift things up. Have you ever seen some construction work happening there? The roof is constructed. From the below you can see they pull the cements and all those things and get it upward there. Okay, so that is called pulley. I'll show you one image here. Okay, then machines help us to apply force at some convenient point and to produce its effect at some other point. Just like a hammer. It is on a hammer, the hammer is used to apply force on the nail's back, but the effect is seen on the front. These type of things, machines enable us to unsafe the dangerous work, to do unsafe and dangerous work. For example, fire tongs are used to lift a piece of burning coal from the fire. These things. So today we will explore, and I want all of you to give one example or many examples of how machines, these ways and other ways, how they help us in our day-to-day life. Okay, and this is it. This is the introduction class of simple machines. Today we will talk about machines, and from the next class we will explore what are those different types of machines and how they help us. Okay, thank you very much.